In this video, we're going to show you some best practices for collaborating with other builders on the same account. So imagine I am the admin of my account and I have links that my clients are already using from these great workflows that I already have. And I have a colleague that I want to help me make minor edits, sometimes more substantial ones, to my workflows. The way to do this is through the Send Copy to Builders option. Note that it's different from the Assign Workflow option. Assigning a workflow sends a workflow to someone to fill it out, whereas the Send a Copy to Builders sends an actual copy of this workflow to another builder where they can go and make edits to it. So say I want to make a change to my commercial NDA, and I want my colleague to help me with those changes. So I will go to the commercial NDA, and I'll go to Send Copy to Builders. And then I will choose my builder that I want to send it to. I can also add more than one person if I need to, and I'll send a copy. So now I'm sending a copy of commercial NDA, an exact copy of that workflow, to this other builder on my account. Now, when that other builder logs into their account, or say they're already logged in and they just click refresh, as I'm going to do right now, and they click refresh, now they have that commercial NDA copy that's been sent to them. They can either discard it if it was sent to them in error, or they can add it to their workflows if they want to start working on it. And now that commercial NDA has been added to their workflow. This is an exact copy of the one sent from the admin account. So now they're going to go in and make their edit. And in this case, we'll do something really simple. We'll just add a question. And then we'll save. And now I want to send this back to our admin account because that's our main account where all of the workflows are held and where we send links to our users from. And so I need to send this back to my admin. So I'm going to, again, do Send Copy to Builders, and I'll be sending a copy of this updated commercial NDA to them. And I'll send a copy. And now, if I go over to the admin account, if that admin now clicks refresh, or the next time they log in if they were not logged in, they will see the commercial NDA has come back to them. See, they still have their old version right here. It has not yet been added to the workflows. They can discard it, or they can click Add to Workflows. In this case, however, an extra window pops up because we already have a version of that commercial NDA on the dashboard. So here I have a choice. I can either add it as a new file in case I want to have the prior version and the new version, add as a new file. Same with the output documents if that's where the edits were being made. Or I can just overwrite. And it's probably most simple just to overwrite, because then I get the most updated version of that commercial NDA added to my workflow. So now I'll click Add to Workflows. And now I have that commercial NDA has been updated. So I'm going to go to it and we'll check to see that that question was added. And there it is, the new question is right there. So that's the way that you want to collaborate with your builders. The thing to note about this process is that it's making sure that all of your links are staying the same for your users. So when we sent that commercial NDA back to the admin account and we overwrited it just now, that made sure that the commercial NDA link was the same as the prior version, just with the updated question. And that way, nothing different will happen with my users. They'll click on the commercial NDA and now they'll get the new version. If, however, I want to review my colleague's work before I make this commercial NDA they've updated as the official version, then when adding to workflows, I can instead add it as a new file. When I do this, it comes in as NDA, commercial NDA copy. So I can go and look at it. I can see what changes they make, and I can see, oh wait, you know what? This is not spelled correctly. I need to fix that. And then I can change the name back to the original commercial NDA name. Save that. And it will replace the commercial NDA I had before, the same links. And if we go to the commercial NDA now, we'll see that, oh, now there are 2 questions and this one is spelled correctly, just as I wanted to. If you choose not to do the overwriting option, you do your review of the copy, and then you change the name back to the original. And that will overwrite your original, and then the links will stay the same.